In this video, I'm going to describe how to make a cover page, table of contents, list of figures, list of tables, page numbering, and how to add the cover page without number. It's for assignment purpose or report or project. So I open a Word document file. You can see on my screen introduction, information security, important of cybersecurity. So I'm going to make a table of content first, then list of tables, list of figure, then how to add the cover page for this report, then page numbering. So at first I'm going to make title like table of contents, heading. So introduction, I keep main heading, and information security also. So I'm going to home on the menu bar, then you can see heading 1, 2, 3. So I keep introduction heading 1, and information security also heading 1, and important cyber security heading 1, and cyber attack, cyber threat heading 1, and you can select risk mitigation also heading 1, then conclusion and references also heading 1. Then for subheading, I select cyber attack for subheading heading 2, and cyber threat heading 2. So now I'm going to make a space for my table of contents. So in this, before introduction, I place my table of contents. Going to reference on the menu bar, you can see my cursor up on reference. So click on reference, then left hand top corner, and under the file showing table of contents. So click on table of contents and it will show some style default. So automatic table 1, automatic table 2, manual table. So I'm going to select automatic table 1, then it's showing my table of contents, down table of contents. If you change anything on heading like introduction, information security, and then it will automatically update when you click on the update table. You see showing update table, then update entire table, then it's automatically change inside the table. Then now I am going to do, you can do here automatic table update, and you can do here as well. So click on reference, and you can see under the home button have update table. So click on update, then it's showing update page number only or update entire table. So you can do update entire table, automatically change your table. Now I'm going to list of tables, how many tables in my report. So going to do the list of tables. Before do this, I do captioning my table 1 and table 2. So table 1 captioning, go to reference on the menu bar, then click insert caption for table 1. Insert caption for table 1, then press OK. So table 1 done. Then table 2, click on again reference and insert caption and table 2 and press OK. It's done table 2. So now I am going to place 2 tables under the list of tables. So reference go to the reference on menu, then insert table of figures. Click on insert table of figures. It will show some style. Then and I leave it simple, then press OK. So it's showing my tables. Then I'm going to do the list of figures. So same, I'm going to do captioning my figures title. So figure 1 and reference and insert caption. So figure 1, press OK. So figure 1 captioning done, and figure 2 also captioning. So going to reference and insert caption and figure 2 captioning. Sometime you can see here label table, so you can change table or figure which one you want. So at this time I want figure, so select on figure and press OK. So it's showing my figure. So I place those figure details in here. So going to reference and insert table of figures. So here is some style, I leave it simple, then press OK. It's showing my figures. So table of contents done, list of tables done, and figures done. Now I'm going to add a cover page for my report. So going to menu bar, insert, and click on cover page and select any of these. So I'm going to select this. So this is my cover page and this is my table of contents. I leave table of content one page and list of figure and list of table one page. So I'm going to do the break the page. So you see, going to insert and page break. So it's showing my table of content one page. Now I'm going to do list of tables, list of figure in one page, and introduction in another page. So again, page break. So title page, like cover page is done, table of contents done, list of figure, list of tables is done. So now I'm going to do the sectioning for page numbering. So layout and break. So section break. So next page. So section break is done. Then I'm going to do the table of contents a little bit tidy up. So my table of contents is done and list of figures done. So now I'm going to do numbering the page for my main body. So going to insert from menu bar and numbering the page. So I select the bottom of page and 1 and select here as well. So page numbering, bottom of page. So it's showing, you can see it's showing my title page is blank, no page number, and header and table of contents 1 and 2, and my main body start from 0. I can change it, format page number from 1. It was showing 0 because of start at 0. So now I change start at 1. So you can see start at 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So my report is done. So you can see within 10 minutes I made a title page and table of content page, and my main body. So you can change the for table of 1 and table of 2 like a style, page numbering style. So go to format page number, then you can select it from different style. So you can see now, and I and double I and 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from this video easily understand and easily can make cover page, table of content, and list of figures, list of tables, and main body numbering, how to do page number, and how to change the page number style. So it will be helpful for anyone can make a report to do page numbering, title page and cover page. Thank you very much.